Hello everyone, this is a weekly update about the new products AI has launched. So first of all, we are going to discuss Google because they are doing a lot in AI. And recently, they have enabled their notebook LLM with many new features. So now with Research Assistant, you can upload your slides, you can attach your URLs, and you can ask for summary as well. So that makes sense and it will help a lot. This is not the only thing which Google has done. Google has added many features in your Chromebook as well. With the Magic Editor Google added in the Chromebook, you can click at Magic Edit anytime and you can edit your photos in the Google Photos. Google added Gemini in the Chromebook. So that means you can enjoy Gemini for next 12 months, and with that you save $228 per year as well. So that is another thing, an exciting one as well. There is one more interesting thing. Help me write. With this one, you can write new text, you can generate text, and you can personalize tone according to your audience. There is one very interesting thing, AI generated wallpapers and backgrounds. So that means if you don't like your current backgrounds in the Chromebook, you can give the prompt and generate your own wallpapers and backgrounds. That is exciting. Google Task was already amazing, and Google is now adding Google Task to Chromebooks as well. So that is another thing which Google is doing. So let's move forward from Google. There are many other updates as well. We already know Khan Academy is offering AI assistant to teachers all over the US. So now OpenAI is also in the game and they are offering ChatGPT Edu to all the educational institutes all over the world and US as well. Perks available in it includes higher message limit, data privacy, robust security, and administrative controls for different groups. And of course, the selling point is more affordable than the ChatGPT Enterprise, right? So that means they are in the game and in competition as well with Khan Academy. There is one more thing very exciting coming from the 11 Labs AI sound effect generators. So that means from that you can generate any sound, you can clone actually anyone's voice. So that is also there in the last week. But there is one more thing very important, and it's a public service message as well. AI scams are rising. AI's voice scams are rising. So that means that people are calling in the tones of your loved ones, your relatives, and they are asking you for money and things like that. You need to be aware of that. In order to avoid these scams, you need to do certain things. First of all, ask some personalized questions which are among you. You can also call your relatives directly and ask them if they have called you already. Do not attend the scam calls or unknown numbers, things like that. So you can do these kind of things to avoid these scams. Thank you, and do subscribe for the latest updates related to AI. Have a nice day.